as a reality show expert. इतने जितने ऑडिशन जितने रियलिटी शोज में मैं जा चुका हूँ, जितना रिजेक्शन मैंने फेस किया उतना शायद किसी ने ना किया हो, और मैं उनके साथ बिल्कुल एम्पैथाइज कर पाऊंगा. So I think
congratulations for this new reality show. It's not new because already दो show हो चुके हैं.
Yes.
And in fact, for the audience, I would like to inform that उस time Sarwar Ahuja के अलावा a brilliant actress in Marathi was emerged from this show, Amrita Kanvilkar.
Yes.
वो top की Marathi actress है.
As a matter of fact, from the entire batch of 2004, all the top 10 from 2004 have been absorbed in television, regional films and modeling. Because at that time, Bollywood had not opened its doors to newer faces with the way it is doing today. So there was a very good talent pool available. They were groomed well. And a lot of the leading television actors, models and regional film stars have actually come from the 2004 pool of Cinestars Ki Khoj.
And in spite of that, why this was not continued year after year?
So that's a question that I cannot answer because that's a question that my predecessors have to answer. But I can just tell you that we are here now, we are doing this, and let's be happy about it.
Also, are you planning to simulcast this in different language channels, because Zee has a bouquet of channels? Because
no, currently it's only being broadcast in Hindi on ZTV.
Eventually you will turn to other languages because there are cinema in other languages also.
Yeah, why not? I mean, but time will tell whether we do that or not. So.
And Ayushman, what
Friends,
exactly?
Hi Pariniti, hi Ayushman. This is Prerna from Times Now. Hi. So my question is to the two of you that you all have already shot for the episodes, but what was the advice that you would give to the contestants?
She has shot the episode. I'm shooting tomorrow.
What were the advices that you all would give to the contestants?
I did it on the day of the episode also. मैंने उनको यही कहा था कि I mean, see, whether a contestant is good or not, I think the main decisions I was leaving to the senior judges, which is Victor Sir and Sonali. I was more advising them on my personal experience कि अगर आप ऐसा set पे करो तो क्या होगा. So my advice was actually according to whichever contestant came. But overall, I think if the contestant is good, then I would say, okay, stick to this. Really make time out for this and run after it, because that's what I did in my life. And if the judges feel that no, you do not have a future in films, then please do not leave your current jobs or घर वर छोड़ के मत आ जाना, ऐसा कुछ मत कर देना. So we were giving very real advice is what I think.
Hello? I think I'll be empathizing with the contestants completely because I've gone through the grind. I've been there, done that. Backstage में जो butterflies होती हैं, जब आप stage पे जाने वाले होते हो, दो तरह के auditions होते हैं. एक audition जब आप किसी casting director के पास जाते हैं, you have to hold a placard, your name, height, right profile, left profile, straight profile, वो अलग होता है. एक stage पे audition होते हैं, वो अलग होते हैं. जो reality show में जितने कर चुका हूँ, I think I can call myself as a reality show expert. इतने जितने ऑडिशन जितने रियलिटी शोज में मैं जा चुका हूँ, जितना रिजेक्शन मैंने फेस किया उतना शायद किसी ने ना किया हो, और मैं उनके साथ बिल्कुल एम्पैथाइज कर पाऊंगा. सो आई थिंक I can be their friend, their buddy, the friend, philosopher, guide, whatever, and I'll be with them.
Okay, hello everyone. And this is just one question. I just want a reaction from the two of you. How important do you think is the road safety for the youth today? Road safety.
I think that's very irrelevant. We need to move on to more questions about the show.
Hello everyone. My question is for Ayushman. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi Ayushman. So basically this show is based on talent, correct? So, and you belong to a non-filmy background. So my question is basically, right now in Bollywood, what does it matter exactly? Talent or filmy connection? Whatever you are right now, it's totally because of talent, correct? So right now in Bollywood, what is going on basically? Filmy background connection or talent?
A lot of filmy people who are very talented, probably more talented than me. I think it's difficult to generalize that. But I think it's also the opportunity. You should get the right opportunity, being at the right place at the right time. And I think this is the age where it's open to all. It's beyond nepotism. Even if you're decently talented, you have the potential to be an actor on the silver screen if you get the right opportunity. That's it.
I would really like to say something, please. Sorry. I just wanted to say that whether you have a filmy connection or not, you have to be talented. I'll tell you why. Because your mothers and fathers are not watching the film and buying those tickets. It's the audience. And audience doesn't care who your father or mother or sister or brother is. So I think only talent counts in this industry, nothing else.
Absolutely.
Hello. Very well said,
Ayushman, hi.
Guys,
this is,
we're going to have to wrap the Q&A now.
Anush, 1 second, please. Yeah.
Hi,
we
Salma, how are you?
waited 2 hours, yeah. Okay.